Hello everyone. This is Lunda TV. Guys, today we have rain. It started yesterday evening, and remember the snow. Rosala James, Sunats, remember the snow, guys. All this area, it was covered with white color. Oh Allah, it's raining, guys. The weather in Stockholm, in Sweden, it can change anytime. Look at the streets are clean again. And for those who are new in my channel, welcome to the Lunda family. I am in Sweden, guys, precisely Stockholm, the capital of Sweden. I'm vlogging today to show you the view after a huge snow in Stockholm, Sweden. Look at that. It's beautiful again. And it's raining. I can see people with umbrellas there. They're coming there. Many people are asking me the small house there. It's a restaurant. Yeah, guys, Lumber TV reporting from Stockholm. I hope you enjoyed this video. What's up, sister? Blessy Equere. I'm so humble and thankful. I appreciate it for your support, guys. The snow is gone, and we have this weather again. And imagine every year I can see a different I was saying every year I can see different view of weather and different season, guys. I mean, now winter time and summer time. Yeah. Remember the car covered with snow? Look at that now. The owner, he didn't clean it, and the people are walking with the umbrellas now. It's snowing. Yeah, guys. I told you weather can change anytime. There. Can you see? Sunat, you see the bag? She's pulling the bag there, which I use sometime. I told you we use this a lot. Yeah. I had a question. Some people are watching my videos and commenting like, Lunda, we didn't see the part 1. So please, guys, yesterday or the videos before, I uploaded 2 videos. Sometimes I don't upload video in my laptop. I always upload my video in my phone, and it can take maybe 2 to 3 hours. And thank you guys for your support. Yeah. One love, guys. Lunda TV. This is the weather of the day. The snow is gone. Yeah. Hello, family. Yeah, what's up? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm at home chilling, and I decided to show you the weather of today. Love you all, guys. I hope you love the view. Yeah, it's raining, guys. And in Sweden, guys, for those who don't know, in December, we are in December, the month of December, and in Sweden, many people, they have a vacation. What they do, they travel a lot to different town, see, to visit relatives, because they have like a tradition, or we have it like a tradition. Only December people meet, like visiting, traveling to other families, because people eat together, and they call it Christmas table. The tradition maybe come from the Bible. You remember Jesus and the disciples, the Last Supper? So they have that kind of people sitting together, maybe friends, and yeah. And the Christmas tree, they have like gifts, presents, and they share it to children. Oh, yeah, look at that. I was there, remember Mega, the water station, and I told you guys it's not far away from my residential area there. Remember? And for those who are new in my channel, guys, ask more questions about the Sweden, yeah, and I'll try to answer your questions. If you want to talk about family, we go to WhatsApp. That's what we do. Sunat, I love your comments. Yeah, guys, I have a solid team now. Hola, Rose Presley, Rosaline James, Nigora, Assalamu alaikum, Hasifa, Namaste, Sanya. Yeah, Sanya. Namaste, India, guys. Thank you for your support. I'm doing my best, guy. One day I'll show you very, very soon that I am not in this country. We are preparing for travel. Yes. I'm just waiting for small things to fix it. But let me show you other side balcony, because I'm in a window, and let's go. Voila. Remember my balcony, snow everywhere. What's up, guys? Look at that. Yeah, it's the other side, my apartment. I'm in balcony, guys. Look at that. The snow is gone. Car parking. And yes, 2 days ago, they're fixing playing ground for the children. See? It's what they do. People that don't take money from community or governments, this is what they do. It was just open place, and now they are building a playground for the children. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Look at that. See? Yeah. I show you guys a previous video around my area, and now voila, my balcony, guys, it's clean again. We put carpets in balconies. Yeah, very nice and quiet today. It's raining, guys. Remember I told you it's raining? Look at that. That car there, it's driving now. If it didn't move, you can give them a ticket. It will cost them $100. It's not allowed to park a car closer to the building. Yeah. On the TV, guys, what do you think? Rose Presley. Sunat, you are doing well. I'm following you guys. I'm watching all your videos, and I hope you get monetized. Do your job. For me, yeah, trying to do my best, guys. See that? Snow, guys. Look at the street here, cleaning because it's raining. Yeah, and it's about 2 p.m. and it's already dark. And remember, I can see 2-3 people inside the window, balcony. Always someone is watching, remember? Yeah. So now they move the car. Yeah. It's very serious in this country. Yeah, many people are visiting grandpa, grandma, those elderly house, remember? And believe me or not, some of them, they're just going to visit them because of contract, letter, heritage. Many of them can pass away, but if they see someone coming, again, family visiting them, you know, the old people, they're always sensitive. And they can feel like love and they write some check. Yeah, it can happen. It always happen like this in Sweden. You have a grandpa who have money because he don't use them in his bank account. Yeah, and the relative can even use this occasion, Christmas, to visit them. Which is not fair. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video, share and comment. Look at that. We have a small forest there. I don't know if you can see white there, guys. I was there when I told you about huge supermarkets. There. In this community, it's so easy to move around. If you are walking, riding bike, you are close to railway. Remember, guys, the video, or watch my previous video, guys, you can see me walking from my area to the train station. And I love walking. You can see people walking there. Even it's too rainy, huh? See, they're walking. Yeah. One love, guys, on the TV. Subscribe and be safe.